Refer to Section 7 of the construction guide. In this video, we are going to attach the header board part B, the footer part C and the side rails, parts D to the bed frame. The king-size bed frame is quite large, so you will need an appropriate surface for the steps covered in this video. Place the header board, part B, on one end of the bed frame as shown here. Make sure the sides of the header board are flush with the bed frame. Also make sure the bottom edge of the header board is flush with the bottom of the bed frame. Using 2 wood clamps, clamp the header board to the bed frame. Double check to make sure the bottom edge of the header board is flush with the bed frame. You may use wood glue to glue the header and footer to the bed frame. Drive 6 to 7, 1 1/4 inch long wood screws, equally spaced along the inner edge of the bed frame as shown here. Drive more screws if needed. Drive all screws flush. After driving all the screws, remove the clamps. We are going to use the same steps to attach the footer board part C to our bed frame. Clamp the footer board to the bed frame, making sure the ends and bottom edge are flush. Proceed to drive 6 to 7, 1 1/4 inch wood screws through the inner side of the bed frame to secure the footer to the bed frame. Drive all screws flush. Remove the clamps after driving all the screws. For this next part, refer to Section 8 of the construction guide. Now we are going to attach the side rails to the bed frame. Remember, you may use wood glue on the side rails as well. Using wood clamps, clamp the side rail to the bed frame as shown here. Make sure the bottom edge of the side rail is flush with the bed frame. Also make sure the footer end of the side rail is flush with the footer board, since it will be visible. Using 1 1/4 inch long wood screws, drive 2 screws between each frame strut, as shown here. Make sure the center of the side rails is flush with the frame before driving the screws. Drive more screws if required. After driving all the screws through the bed frame, drive a 2 inch long wood screw into the hole on the lower plate through the header board. This will secure the side rail to the header. Remove the wood clamps. Repeat the same steps to attach the other side rail to the bed frame. The completed bed frame is now ready to be attached to the face panels in Section 9.